In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror a video in CapCut Desktop. If you want to quickly flip your footage so it appears horizontally reversed, CapCut Desktop makes that process very simple. This can be useful if you want to correct the direction of a shot, create a specific visual effect, or just test how your video looks from the opposite side. I'll walk you through the full process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if your footage is already in place. After that, add your video to the timeline. Make sure the clip is actually sitting in the timeline area, because that's where you'll be able to apply the mirror effect. Next, click directly on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. Once the clip is selected, look at the toolbar above the timeline and take a moment to review the available options. You're looking for the mirror button. When you find it, click the mirror button. Then wait briefly for the mirror menu to open. Once it appears, click Mirror to apply the effect. At this point, CapCut should flip your video horizontally. Now shift your attention to the preview window. This is where you can immediately check the result and make sure the video has been flipped the way you wanted. Review the image carefully, especially if there is text, movement direction, or anything else that makes the change obvious. The key thing to verify here is that the video has been mirrored from left to right. After that, click the play button to preview the mirrored video in motion. Watching it back is a helpful step because sometimes a mirrored clip looks fine when paused, but feels different once it's playing. Review the playback and confirm that the mirrored version works well for your project. If you decide you don't want the flipped version after all, simply click Mirror again to restore the original orientation. That makes it easy to compare both versions and choose the one that looks best. Once you've checked the preview and playback, confirm that the mirror effect has been successfully applied. And that's it. You now know how to mirror a video in CapCut Desktop quickly and confidently.